Alright guys, today I'm gonna do replace this front is a driver seat isn't right here, so I'm gonna take it out. So guys, I'm gonna take you through the process. So guys, we have four E12 balls. One is right here, you can see from here, one E12 ball, and then right there guys is the second one. Then guys, when you come back to the rear part of the car, right down there guys is the third one, and then right there guys is the fourth one. So I have to move the chair, the driver's seat forward. So let's begin. I'll show you in a moment when we reach there. So guys, first thing first is the tools we need. So guys, we need this is an E12 is an E12 tool just to open the front part. So first things first guys, we'll move the seat all the way back. Let's make sure it goes all the way back to give us enough space here. So once that is there, we start opening up. Let's start opening up guys. Back to this side. That's on the side. So guys, if you find out guys that you don't have enough space, you just come here, then you push it up. Push it up guys, like that. Like that. Let it go all the way up. Once that is there guys, you should be able to have enough space in there. So let me show you next what to do. Let me open the front balls. Okay, there you go. First front ball, I just put it on the side somewhere safe. Right there. Go back to this side, do the same. Take this ball, you put it on the side. Alright guys, we have some connections in here. The maybe let me just let me just show you in a moment what to connect. But guys, before you do the disconnection, make sure you've opened all the balls. So because we still have to open the rear balls, so we don't disconnect it yet. So we go back to the rear. Okay, so right here, so from here guys, we don't see, we can't access the ball, so we have to move forward the seat. So guys, once the seat is all the way, this is the last ball we have to open. So guys, once we're done from the rear, we can open this one right here. So guys, this ball here is a Torx 45 is a Torx, so that we need to open this so then the seat can come by itself. Alright, we'll do this in a moment. Let's just finish up with the rear part, then we come to this. So guys, you see this access right here is now fully available. We can access right here, and then we can still access right here too. And then see one of my the thing is out. So guys, make sure I put in for the next one properly. So let's proceed and open it up. Get this guy right out. Yeah, so we got this guy right out. So the last one right here, and we can get him out. Alright guys, to get this guy out. So let's bring back the seat so that we can be able to disconnect guys the electrical components. But before we do that, let's just take out this right here, the seat belt. Alright guys, let's do the last part. This is the seat belt. So it just comes with the 45. This is a 45 millimeter. It's a 45, so you use 45, and then you just that is done, guys. This thing is not going to fall off. It's just connected to the seat belt, so you don't need to worry about it. You just let it hang up. And then guys, we just take back our seat so that we can access the connections in back there, so we can disconnect and then we can take out the seat. All right, so we come back here, we just take it back. So guys, we just lift it up, so you can just get it all the way up. Okay, once you do that, you can just gently pull it over like this. Just let it lie down like this to give us access to the connections in here. So when you take this out, guys, this is what we have right here. We have a connector going through right there. So we'll just have to just pry it out to get out, and then this is the last part. We just push it like this. Let me just take this thing out of the way. You have this thing right here, guys. You just push it like this, and then this thing disconnects. And then guys, this thing just snapped out of the way, so you just messed up. So I guess I have to repair this one before I do whatever is next. So guys, once that is done, there's only one connection. Once it's out, then our seat is good to come out. So I'll just lift it right now, just get it out of the way. So because I'm only holding the camera with one hand, guys, I'll just show you when the thing is out. So I'm gonna show you in a moment. So you just let the seat lie down like this. Just make sure it lies on the side, and then you just push it out. Alright guys, the seat is finally out. So this is the seat right here, and then if you see inside, guys, this is how it looks like. So you see there's a lot of dirt from I think just went through the side, so I'm just clean it up before I put the new one in. I'm gonna fix that one. So guys, that's how you replace your front driver side seat. I hope this video really helps you out. See you next time.